In this video, I'll walk you through the easy steps to locate your card's CVV number in the HSBC app. First, open the HSBC Bank app on your mobile device. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, tap on the Cards tab located at the bottom of the screen to access your card information. Select the card you want to view by tapping on it. If you have multiple cards, ensure you choose the correct one. Now, to reveal more details, look for the Show Details or Card Details button and tap it. For security reasons, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity by inputting your security PIN. Kindly input your PIN to confirm it's you. Scroll down until you find the CVV or Security Code section. You'll see your CVV number displayed securely. Remember, don't share your CVV with others. It's crucial for the security of your transactions. And that's it. You've successfully located your CVV on the HSBC app. You can access it from anywhere as long as you have access to your app. But always be careful, as misplacing the number can lead to losing your money.